Tamil Nadu. So Ravinder was telling that he used to travel about 3 days. And we used to travel 4 days. Actually, my house is just 2 hours from Kanyakumari. And right now I am staying in Trivandrum. So those days, everybody told I got also Jaipur and senior REC. We came to Warangal that time. That time Warangal was used to take place. So I took senior. But Jaipur I didn't like it. We thought it is very hard. They came out, my father was asking, why did you not go to Jaipur? Do you know where is senior? It was near Jammu. Okay, so we landed in Jammu. Then we went to RTC. It was just followers. My father and we have decided to go back. Everything, followers following my bus was just 200 kilometers, or 2 kilometers, I'm not sure. Then we saw 2 guys like us. And happened to be Gondal now with his brother. Okay, that's his brother. So we then decided we will go. Then when then he happened to be my roommate. As all of us know, we are all very close to other people for 2 reasons. One is for their friendliness, other is for their gunpowder. Our next food was very horrible. But it is true, it becomes like Amazon. Okay, it was a lovable period. See, what we enjoyed then after our lives for 25 years passed, we have not enjoyed that much. Okay, we are all very envy of Gondala, we got married in his daddy itself. So, that life was very, interesting. So, even though the facilities are increasing, when you compare today, the facilities are limited. You cannot book any reservation. You have to send telegram, you never reach us. So, you are always standard. So, I tell you the interesting thing, I started from my place alone. When I come to Chennai, I am 50. Then they were 20. Then Warangal. Then Ongole. Then Watermat. Right in Nagpur, Bhopal, Agra. Jammu will be everybody there. So everybody will be there. Alright. If you are going back now, let us will be better. So 30-40% will come. Everybody will be sending more in first. So it was a wonderful thing. Afterwards we started flying. 19 rupees only was a 40. Okay. So they used to run shuttle flight for us. They will not give coffee also. Like today. Like well as come and big circle. Yeah? Okay. Okay, I am now studying ISRO, that Space Research Organization in Trivandrum. My great friend, daughter with me, I have one lonely daughter. She is doing her final year arts. She never wanted engineering, because she got fed up with me. She told me to do arts only. She is trying to communicate in English. Okay, so this is a wonderful thing. I think our Kondala and our friends, they only made me to come here. One Vincent was there who was after me to come here, but he didn't come. Anyway, it is wonderful that we are met so many people. Really, we had our batch, 85 batch, 23 years, we met our Swami and Babulal are there. Okay, it is a small event, but we can go in a big way. As somebody was asking, I said, next time you all come to Kerala, God's own country, you will have much more, better enjoyment. Actually, when you go away, always you enjoy more. In your place, you are always tied down by your own weight of local things, pressures and other things. So I invite you, all of you, to come to Trivandrum and stay with us. Thank you.